Okay.
Come on, Brian.
Oh, fuck. I just took a picture. No. No.
I will tag you in this video.
No. Wait. Oh, shit. I just took a really short recording. You're going like...
I think that's the funny part, is that he's so huge.
I'm so huge.
When he laughs, he looks like he's like on cocaine. Like,
Oh my god.
Seriously though, bring that home with you. In the middle of like a really boring, dry conversation, just awkward bird the shit out of it. And watch everybody's face. They don't know
Do
what
it again,
happened.
do it again, do it again. Please. Brian.
No.
One more time. Can I at least have a picture then?
It's getting a little